Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Okay.
I'm so happy that you are all happy to see me again. Thank you very much. Okay, now, before we start our lesson, why don't we start to sing? Are you familiar with the song? If you are happy?
Happy.
If you're happy, and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really, really know it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, thank you very much. That was very nice. Thank you. All right. Now, before we start our lesson, I would like everyone to pray together, and I would like Yasmin to lead the prayer. Amen. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, all right. Aska Pratista. Okay. Berta Kosai.
This is
Chelsea Julita. Alright. You look so happy.
Yes.
That's great. Christine Amalia, where are you? Okay. Cindy Aulia. Surya has been sick for children, right? Gandhi Verdiacha, where are you? Thank you, Gandhi. Decha?
Yes, I'm good.
Thank you very much. Jenny Risviano?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Bian Suma? Okay. Thank you. Dimas Satria? Oh, there we go. Vidyan Karisma Sakti? Oh, he's not here. Faira Aisatu? Okay. Keisha Claudia? Keisha is not here. To start understanding that we are almost finishing our degree. You are now in the 12th grade, and I want you to understand that almost 3 months, nearly 3 months from now, you're going to finish your work as a student. And I want you to stay very, very determined for your future. Because right after this, I believe that you plan for university study. Is that right? Yes? Does anyone want to study abroad?
Yes.
To other countries? Naresha, no. Okay. Naresha, where do you want to study? Which department? Accounting department. Okay. Does anyone want to study abroad? Where would you go?
I think I would take Brunei Darussalam.
You would choose Brunei Darussalam. Why?
Because I've heard from people about the accounting situation. The vibes of it.
Okay.
And from what other people said, this sounds nice.
Okay. Wow. All right. Try to understand that every single step in our life, it takes process. Do you still remember the first time you were able to ride bicycle?
Yes.
How old were you at that time? Eunice, how old were you at that time? You adjust the saddle. And after that, you go on to the bicycle, and then you start, how do you say, doing this? Okay, cycling. Alright, so how many steps are there? 3. Alright, now that you are already in the modern era, when you don't have bicycle or motorcycle, and you want to go home, what do? Walk. Alright, what if your house is quite far away? You order online transportation. Your destination. All right. After that, what do you do?
Display the choose of payment, and then display the driver for
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Going through the procedure text. Have you ever read a procedure text?
Yes.
Can you show me example? What text have you read? Which text have you read? Excuse me? Pancake. All right. Jasmine, what about you? The procedure of using your computer. All right. I will go to this procedure. Have you ever read?
Procedure text about on the computer.
I'll give some ideas over things. You can also see it. I'm going to put it on. Suppose there is step 1, step 2, step 3. Can you swap it between step 1 and step 2? And jump directly from step 1 to step 3, for example. Do you think you can do that? Are you sure? You must follow the whole steps. Now, the question is, have you ever made coffee? What do you do to make coffee? What's the first thing? You prepare for steps like these. It is not easy. You must do first step before you go to the second step. It's like when you go to school. Can you jump directly from elementary school to high school? No. You have to go through before senior high school. What's that? Senior? Which one? Senior high school or junior high school? Junior high school. And then senior high school. And after that, university. Can you jump directly to university? No. Right? That way you will understand that step by step is really important. The text tell you about. Who will answer this question? Who will answer this? Raisa. All right.
It tells about how to make a YouTube channel.
The text tells us about how to make a YouTube channel. Is that correct? Yes. Now the question is, do you choose make or create? Create. Right? You can also use the word make for everyday communication. But now, please add up on your vocabulary bank that there is also another word for this. Alright? Okay, very good. Now, second question. How many steps are there to complete the instructions? Yes it is. Sign in.
Your YouTube channel.
Okay. Number 8. Can you play it now? Yes. Alright. Okay. There you go. You can see it on the board also. Okay, now you see that there is a chance for you to learn about how to create a Facebook page. Can you see that? Yes? Right. Create. Thank you. Choose. Thank you very much. What else? Add. Alright. That sounds like it. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, everyone. I want everybody now to. Now, your job is very easy. I have already put you into groups. Right? Do you want to change members? Do you want to swap members? No? Or you want to stick with these members? You want to stick with these members? Okay. Now, this is the idea. I want you to read this text, and after that, you are going to create a short procedure text about how to publish a Google site. Well, actually, there are so many things. You can be down there. I want you to
put them all together.
I would like you to take note of the verbs as many as possible, the imperative expressions like giving orders, doing this or that, as many as possible. Alright? You have 2 minutes to do it. Alright, everybody, come on, do that. To use your browser and try to find the procedure text in the form of poster. The procedure text, but in the form of poster. Do you know poster? Yes. The one that you use with Canva, the one that you use with any other applications. Can you find one? And then I will come to your groups and ask you about it. Take the word procedure, text, poster, stuff like that. Alright? Procedure, text, poster. Second, please select the question. Okay. Alright. Thank you. So, swap groups. Alright? This group, you go to that group. Okay? 2 people, you go to that group. Can you do that now? And present. Okay? Corrections to your friend's work. Jasmine, can you find corrections to your other group's work? No, everything is okay? Yeah. How about Karim? Everything is okay? Alright. Now, everyone, I believe that you have the ability to create the procedure text. Alright? Now you have chosen your own topics. Okay? Now I would like you to come up with another product of writing, but then this will be based on what you have written. Alright? When you wrote about how to use camera, when you wrote about how to, what was the Google account, when you talk about the Peduli Lindungi account, when you talk about the ordering Gojek and stuff like that, I want you to put it into a great work together, make it into a procedure text, and then I would love everyone to start thinking about creating something new. The new thing is that the use of technology. I hope you understand what I mean.
I get to know more properly about procedure text, and I also learned how to make procedure text, and also make procedure text to convert procedure text into poster. And the most important thing is I
That's nice. Thank you. Give applause to Isa. Alright. Now everyone Isa's group will get an extra 10 score. Congratulations. Alright. Jasmine group will be awarded by 8 points. And Gana's group will be awarded with 8 points. Okay, cool. And as for Ferry's group, I need you to work really hard. I need you to do your best. Can you do that? Yes? Alright, very good. Now, next week I would like you to understand that we are going to show your work through the Canva poster that you have made. Okay? So at home, please learn about how to use Canva, the effects that you can put into the Canva's products and stuff like that. Alright? Okay, now everyone reading the prayer for the very last time. And for this one, who would love to lead the prayer? Anyone? Oh, okay. Isa, can you help me? Lead the prayer.
So, before we end the session, I would like to have a prayer. Hopefully, what we have learned today would be so useful for our future. Prayer start.
Bismillah.
Prayer end.
Okay. Thank you very much.